Hello, and welcome to Slow English with Kelsey. Today, I decided to speak about the holiday that's coming up on February 14th, Valentine's Day. I don't know if in your country Valentine's Day is celebrated, but maybe in movies you've seen Valentine's Day represented. Valentine's Day is a holiday to celebrate love. I decided to share with you how Valentine's Day was celebrated when I was growing up. When I was in elementary school, that's the school that takes place between kindergarten and fifth grade. It was very common that each member of the class would make cards to give to each other. Now, most of the time, these cards were bought from the store, and each student had to fill out the name of the person that they would give it to in the class, which growing up, there would be one for everybody. It was also very common to give candy hearts to each other. Candy hearts are a special kind of candy that only is popular on Valentine's Day. These hearts, honestly, don't even taste very good, but they were the tradition. And they were fun to eat because they had phrases on them. Sometimes the phrase would say, "You are very special to me," or "I love you," or "You're fantastic," things like that. So they were a special treat on Valentine's Day. Sometimes, if you were lucky, one of the parents of the students would bring in heart-shaped cookies or cupcakes. Then Valentine's Day is celebrated differently once you're not in elementary school. After elementary school, it becomes more of a day of celebrating love between romantic partners. This can be husband and wife, husband, and wife, anything in between, anything that's love. It can be boyfriends and girlfriends and any kind of relationships that exist that have love, but it's mostly for romantic sort of love. Sometimes friends may celebrate Valentine's Day between each other, but that's not the normal thing to do. On Valentine's Day, people might buy their romantic partner or partners, because there's a lot of different types of relationships. They might buy them flowers or chocolates, or they might get them a special greeting card, or I should say, card, that tells them how much they mean to them. There's other things too, but those are the most popular gifts to be given or receive on Valentine's Day. So I have to tell you, there's also a lot of people who don't like Valentine's Day. They might call it a Hallmark holiday. This is an interesting phrase, and I will tell you the origin of the phrase as well. So, a Hallmark holiday is a holiday that was created by industries in order to sell product. In the case of Valentine's Day, it might be called a Hallmark holiday because of how many bouquets of flowers, greeting cards or cards, chocolates, and Valentine's Day gifts are purchased, which gives a lot of money to these sorts of industries. It's called a Hallmark holiday because Hallmark is a brand of cards, of greeting cards, of cards. In the United States, they make all sorts of cards: birthday cards, Valentine's Day cards, wishing you well cards, any type of cards Hallmark makes. So, a Hallmark holiday is a holiday that Hallmark has created in the card industry in order to sell more product. It's not really just Hallmark, but that's where it came from. That's the idea. So now you know. Well, I'm curious about something. Does Valentine's Day exist in your country? And if so, how is it celebrated? You can leave your answer in the comments using your best English. And I am so curious to read it. Like and subscribe. And I really hope that this helps you in your English learning journey to gain confidence in your English comprehension and to learn something new. I think you're doing an amazing job. Learning a new language can be sometimes no easy task. And what you're doing is an incredible skill that you're acquiring. Until next time, this is Slow English with Kelsey. Bye.